Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your laptop. So the first way to do it is first by unlocking your secondary functions of the function keys. To do it you have to use the combination of F10 button and left shift button. After that, press F8 to either turn off or turn on your microphone. Alternatively, you can open the start menu, go to settings, then go to system, sound, go to microphone, and to turn it off, click don't allow right here. To turn it on, click allow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.